Chapter 2 Polynomials Class 9 Introduction. So, introduction. In our earlier classes, in class 8, we studied three standard identities. Which one is a plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Using this, in the previous chapter we saw using radicals, root of a, root of b. So they derived just changing the a and b in this equation. You can ask, then what is x plus a into x plus b? This is not a standard identity. Just for case, it's x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Yes, but in this only three are standard identities, and this year we will be learning four more standard identities. I think only one, that is a plus b plus c the whole square. Totally there are 9 standard identities. This year we will be seeing remainder theorem and factor theorem. So exercise 2.1 introduction we are going to see in this video. Types of polynomials. So what are the types of polynomial? For polynomial has one variable, it is known as monomial. So monomial, you have studied this in your previous classes. Monomial means, for example, x square, which has only one variable, that is x. Then two variable. So what is an example for two variable? X square plus y square, which is called as binomial. Then three variables. For three variables, we call that as trinomial. X square, y square, plus c square plus z square, and one is a trinomial. Coefficients. So what is a coefficient? I'll give x plus 3y minus 2z. Let it be example equation. So there are three variables, x, y, z. Now see, coefficient is nothing but just the number next to the variable. So for x, there is no number, so we need to mention it as 1. So what is the number next to x? 1. So the coefficient of x is 1. What is the number next to y plus 3? That is just 3. What is the number next to z? That is 2. Is it just 2? No. It is minus 2 because the symbol minus is there. So coefficient of z is 2. So another example, x square plus x cube plus x. Let it be 2, 3, minus 1. So what is the coefficient of x here? X cube. Yes, 2. What is the coefficient of x power x? That is 3. What is the coefficient of x square, which is minus 1? Yes, you told the answers correct. But in the case of like this, x square plus z equals 0. What is the coefficient of y? Is there a letter y? Is there a variable y? No. So consider it as 0y. So the coefficient of y is 0, because we know 0 multiplied to any number is 0, and 0 plus 1 is same as the number, because we don't add 0. So that's why the coefficient of y is 0. The next is degree. I am not talking about those college degrees. Degree in a polynomial is meant as highest exponent. The highest exponent in a polynomial. Polynomial is known as degree. So let's take x square plus x plus y. What is the degree? Yes, it is 2, because 2 is a highest power compared to 1. If there is nothing, you should take it as 1. Next equation, x square plus 1. What is the degree of the equation? It's 2 again. What is the degree of the equation? X square plus x square y plus 1. Yes, it's 2. No. The answer is 3, because x and y are multiplied. So you need to take the consideration of this 1 also. So you need to add these both, and which is 3. So what is the degree of 1? It's 0. See, 1 into 1 is also 1. We know, according to laws of exponents, we learned x power 0 is also 1. That is 1 x power 0. So what is the degree? It is 0. That's why the answer is 0. Don't get confused. Let it be any number. Let it be 23, 1 by root 2, any number. It is just 0. The next point, types of polynomial. The types of polynomial according to degree. First we segregated polynomials according to the number of variables. Now degree. So the next type is linear polynomial. The first type is linear polynomial, which is x plus 1, y plus 1, n plus 1. Yes, the similarity is the degree is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 1. So which is called as linear polynomial. The next type, quadratic polynomial, which is, for example, n square plus 1, n square minus 1. Yes, it's Pythagorean triplet. Which is also an example of a quadratic polynomial which has the degree 2. Then x cube minus x square plus y, z cube plus 2. These are considered as cubic polynomial, which means the degree is 3. You can see x cube or z cube, the degree is 3. Extra information, biquadratic polynomial. biquadratic polynomial which has the power 4. So the degree is 4. Yes. What if there's a no variable? We see, so that is 0 polynomial, or for short we call it the constant polynomial. So for an equation to be a polynomial, it should have these 4 things. It should have a positive exponent. It should not have a radical symbol. Not have a radical symbol. Yes, what is a radical symbol? Root of x, root of n. The root symbol is known as the radical symbol. Next characteristics, 1 by x, 1 by y plus x. These are not a polynomial. So the polynomial shouldn't have the variable in the denominator. The variable should not be in the denominator. And at last, the power should not be fractional. The power should not be fractional. There's a difference between rational and fractional. So this is the introduction for lesson 2, polynomials. Thank you.